So now we're going to make the pillowcase. We're not making the pillow yet. Basically, I've done the width of the box, which is 8 inches plus half an inch for seam allowance, and how wide one of the back is, which is 5 inches, so it's 5.5. I've made 3. It doesn't matter about the length of the top two, they are going to overlap. You just need to get the bottom one right. You put one, doesn't matter which order you do it, you put one on top. Once you've folded it over and made a hem on both sides, then you put them both together like that, and then you pin all the way around. So then once you've pinned it all the way around, straight level with the other ones, obviously you're going to sew from this side because this is the size and shape that you need to keep, and you just cut them off after. So it's 1/4 inch all the way around. So when you've sewn all the way around, obviously that side, because this is the true size, then you can cut off the end bits that you had overlapping, and then you're left, and this is called an envelope pillow, and I've made it to match the sheets, and then you just pull it through. And then we need to make the pillow form. You need to give it a press, and there's your little pillow ready for your pillow form to fit in. So now we're making the pillow form. So that's I've got 2 pieces of white linen. I don't think there's a right side and a wrong side. Basically fold, so right sides together. Just have a quick look, see if I can tell. So, right, that's 2 right sides, and I shall leave a gap about like that so I can stuff it, and then I shall hand sew that shut after about 1/4 inch. To make my life easier, I shall, while it's still wrong sides out, I shall fold the opening over the seam allowance that I've sewn on both sides and press, and then when I come to sew it, it should automatically lay down where the sides tell it to lay down. Okay, so we do that next, and then we'll turn it through. So I've now pressed them both over, so hopefully that'll make my life a little bit easier. Then turn it through. Might be best if I put with it being linen, it's a bit thicker than cotton, so cut the ends. Not careful not to go through the stitches. This was part of a leftover brand new napkin that I incorporated in something else last year, I think it was. So that's again still using leftover fabric. So that's it, turn it through. We're going to press it, and we're going to pull the ends out. When you've done that, you've turned it through, poked your corners out, and press the opening ready, and just take your stuffing and start to fill, taking it into each corner. And then just continue to do that till you've got the required amount you want inside. So once you've got the amount that you need inside, Get your appropriate cotton and needle. You've already pressed those, so they should come together quite nicely. And then go this way in so you can hide your knot. And then do an over sew. Do a small one. Until you get right to the very end. So there's it all sewn up just across there. So it's, she's got a new pillow form and a new pillowcase. So put one side in first and then pull the other over. For some reason it won't go in. There we go. It's going in. Make it move, sticking to the fabric. I think this is more awkward than doing your own pillows. I think it's probably because it's smaller. Anyway, there you go. That's it. You just move it about till you get it right. There's your pillow with your new pillow and your new pillow form. There you go. And then we'll just pop that in. There you go. And just move it back a bit so you can see. So there we go. One new completed carry cot with pillow, sheet, blanket, got a mattress at the bottom, and we can hang that over the top. There you go. With handles. There you go then, one new carry cot. Well, I've really enjoyed making that. It's completely different. I've used up lots of scraps and things to get them out of the way. I've got a little spare one of those I've just put at the bottom. Probably could have made that a little bit smaller, but that's fine. That's fine. It'll come in handy for other things that she wants to use it for. It's for my friend's granddaughter because I've got no grandchildren of my own. I've really enjoyed making that. My advice is to watch the video all the way through, all of them, right from the very beginning, for the simple reason that if I've made a mistake then I've probably corrected it and told you so. It's the first time I've made one. I don't practice, so there you go, one carry cot. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Then if I do any more videos you'll be notified when I put them up. I never know what I'm doing. I always look through books to see if I can get some inspiration. I'm using up leftovers at the moment because I think I don't particularly want to buy any fabric. So let's see what I decide to do next time. Thank you for joining me. Have fun.